Okay, welcome guys. Today I'm going to be covering phase changing. And okay, so this is the basic load function. This one just creates a scoreboard that tracks the boss's health, which is updated in this passive repeating little pillar. This one covers particles, updating boss bar values, as well as updating the scoreboard health values. And this one just sets the basic boss bar, so it adds it into reality. This one would summon the first phase as well as update the boss bar to be what the first phase one's supposed to be. This one spawns the second phase version of the boss and it sets the boss bar accordingly. And yeah, this one just removes him because I don't want to kill him every single time. And yeah, we're just going to cover phase changing. So when the boss is spawned, if you look really closely here, I don't know exactly where it is, but there's a tags area. I do not know where it is actually. But yeah, here, tags. It has Necromancer, which is a base identifying tag, as well as phase 1. This will keep track of where it's at. This one has Necromancer in phase 2. And yeah, basically in phase 1, it'll detect when the boss is reaching like, I don't know, under 5 health or something, and as phase 1 without phase 2, and then when it reaches that state, it'll add phase 2 tag as well as set itself to phase 2 basically, because yeah, that's kind of how it works in my way. And yeah, all right, so let's get to it. And oh yeah, the reason that it detects if it has phase 1 and not phase 2 specifically is so it doesn't keep running, so it only happens once. So the phase change is effective. Yeah. And the exclamation mark here just means it's not. So you could put this in front of any tag and it'll check if it doesn't have it. Uh-huh. Score. Um, oh, I probably could have done, whatever, it's fine. Matches, let's say under 50. This is less than 50, and then it'll run, um, yeah, let's just say, okay, so it'll run that. We grab this data here, and it'll data merge into itself. This information, this way, it doesn't spawn another entity, but rather it'll blend itself, kind of. Um, Actually, no, a better way to do this would be, oh yeah, it would be a better way to do this. Okay, so let's quickly remove this. And basically, I'm just going to change the other one that actually spawns it so that it'll data merge that one and set all the things at the same time because that's like a lot faster. So, and when you're writing this in with command blocks instead of a data pack, there might be some redstone involved. So, yeah, that's just how it is. Grab this coordinate real quick, and this will do. So it sets that one to redstone. Stone block. Actually, we could do stone button, and then power true. Yeah, here we go. So if the boss has less than 50 health and it exists, then it'll set this, and this one is just gonna merge. Hold on. One, yeah, and this one will just So this one spawns it and sets it to phase 1. And then once it detects that it's under 50% health, or under 50 health, or equal to 50 health, and it doesn't have phase 2, it will then set this to be true, and it'll merge its data and also set the scoreboard and all that. So yeah. And over here, we can also add some other conditions for like what happens when it phase changes, such as um, we can add some particles. I don't know, like flash or something. Um, oh, it did not work. That's weird. Flash doesn't like it. Okay. Okay. I will not look into that right now, but This should work. Yeah, okay, here we go. And here it's just like a local position, so it'll spawn in the middle of its body approximately. Spawns 111. That's like 8 blocks in every direction, I think. I don't know. Give it like 8 particles or something, and then tell raw all players text. Um, you can't stop me. Something like that. Yeah, okay, so here, now when it reaches under 50 health, it will do all this. And yeah, oh yeah, I should also tag itself. Oh wait, it does. Okay. Oh, actually, I could probably change this then to just be not tagged as phase 2. I think that works because it spawns in phase 1 and it doesn't at phase 2. And then once this happens, it will have phase 2. So this will no longer trigger. All right, let's give it a try. Here we go. This guy, blah, blah, blah. As you can see on the right side, the health is updating. Yeah, and boom. Oh, I have a research pack that has no explosion particles. But yeah, you could see he says what I told him to say, and he's also transitioned to phase 2. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Um, if you enjoyed the video, oh yeah, one more thing is you could probably set this to his health to be 50, so it looks like um, he didn't just refill all of his health. Although you could if you want. It could make the fight longer, I guess, but I probably wouldn't for this boss. But I'd also probably increase his health values. But basically, yeah, run that again. Yeah, it would basically set it to 50% health, which is when it triggers, so it's more seamless if that's what you're looking for. But yeah, and here you can add some more conditions for um, what triggers after he hits 50% health and then goes to the second phase. And yeah, you could get creative with that, like teleport him somewhere, add more text lines, add more particles or something. But yeah, that'll be it for me today. Thank you very much. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And it helps me out a lot through motivation. And someday, hopefully, I'll make money too. Thank you. Bye.